Logging out of Okta is crucial for security. Think of it as locking your digital front door. In this presentation, I'll guide you through simple, quick steps to ensure you log out correctly. We'll cover the key points and make sure your session is properly closed. Don't worry, I promise it's easier than remembering all your passwords. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. First things first, open your web browser. I know, groundbreaking advice, but seriously, make sure you're using a stable and updated browser for the best experience. A slow browser is like walking through quicksand, frustrating and messy. So let's set ourselves up for success before moving forward. Now head over to the Okta login page. Be sure you're on the actual site and not some shady imitation trying to steal your credentials. Think of this like entering the correct door to your house. If you pick the wrong one, you might end up in someone else's living room. Once you're on the Okta dashboard, make sure you're actually logged in. If you're staring at a blank page, double-check that you're in the right place. Finding the dashboard is like finding the main control center. It's where everything happens before you make your grand exit. The famous profile icon, usually chilling in the top right corner. This little guy holds the key to your logout success. Think of it like finding the light switch in a dark room. You know it's there, you just have to look in the right spot. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu full of possibilities: account settings, personal details, and of course, the glorious logout button. It's like opening a treasure chest, except instead of gold, you get digital security. Now locate the logout button. It's usually in plain sight, but sometimes it likes to play hide and seek. Be careful not to click delete account unless you're in a dramatic mood. One click away from logging out now. Alright, this is it, the grand finale. Click the logout button, confirm if needed, and say goodbye to your session. It's like leaving a party. You make sure you've got your phone and keys before heading out. Once you've logged out, check for a confirmation message. If you don't see one, refresh the page or try logging in again to double check. Consider closing the browser too, because security is always better than regret. Make sure to double check that you're logged out, because you wouldn't want anyone accidentally poking around your account. A successful logout usually leads you back to the login screen, like a revolving door. Also, keep an eye out for messages saying you've logged out. If those are missing, something's fishy. Clearing your cache is like spring cleaning for your browser. It's optional but refreshing. Head to your browser's settings and find the magical Clear Cache button. Choose a time range that feels right, hit Clear Data, and voila! Your browser feels as good as new. Closing your web browser is optional but a nice touch. It's like waving goodbye. Shut down all tabs and make sure there's no browser party going on in the background. For bonus points, reboot your computer. It's a crisp digital reset. Logging out on mobile is straightforward but requires some savvy. Open your app, find your account settings, and locate the logout button, like finding treasure. Tap logout and ensure your digital retreat is successful. Opening the Okta app is the first step toward logging out. Find the app, tap its icon, and make sure everything's running smoothly, no hiccups. Then check your login status to prepare for the next steps. Finding the logout button in an app is a bit like a scavenger hunt. Check the settings or main menu. It's usually tucked away. Once you find it, you're ready for the big exit. Tapping the logout button is like saying, "See you next time." Once you press it, give the app a moment to process. You should see a logout confirmation and be returned to the login screen. Smooth and simple. Confirming your logout is the final step. It's like sealing the deal. Review the prompt, hit confirm, and ensure the logout is successful. A quick peek at your login status will do the trick. Testing your logout is like a quality check. Close the app, reopen it, and make sure it greets you with the login screen. If you're not logged in anymore, congratulations. You've mastered the art of logout. Alright folks, we've reached the finish line. Logging out of Okta might seem simple, but it's crucial for security. Always use the official logout option, not just closing the browser, because sneaky session ghosts can linger. Remember, we don't want any surprise guests snooping around our accounts. With this knowledge, you're officially a logout expert. So go forth, sign out, and stay safe. Thanks for sticking around. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.